Hello, my name is Thierry Huisman. I'm the Radiologist-in-Chief and Chair of the Edward B. Singleton Department of Radiology at Texas Children's Hospital and Baylor College of Medicine. Over the past 35 years, I've always focused on offering precision diagnostic imaging as well as image-guided, minimally invasive treatment options. This is the unique way how we can optimize the care and the health of children and women across the globe. So today, it's with great pleasure that I will be participating in the Women's Health Conference in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. At Texas Children's, our mission is to create a healthier future for children and women by our multidisciplinary team of world expert physicians, nurses, researchers, and executives. This conference will be an exceptional gathering at the forefront of women's health and wellness. I personally, as well as the entire team, we look so much forward to seeing you here in Dubai.